Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be here today to talk about skincare tips for winters, brought to you by the Dermatologists of Paris Hospital. On this first slide, we see the title of our presentation. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore some practical tips to keep your skin healthy and glowing during the colder months. So let's get started. As per the Paris Hospital news, the expert team of dermatologists suggests various tips to ensure your skin remains supple and smooth throughout the season. It's important to remember that if you experience severe skin issues during winter, it's best to consult with the dermatologists at Paris Hospital for personalized advice and treatment. As the weather changes and winter approaches, we often face challenges like dry and cold air, which can irritate our skin. Fortunately, there are many simple and effective ways to manage this dry winter skin. By following these tips, you can protect your skin from the harsh winter conditions and maintain its health and glow. Remember, taking care of your skin is essential to feel comfortable and confident throughout the season. Let's take a closer look at some common skin conditions and how they can affect us. First, there's keratosis pilaris, also known as chicken's skin. It's a harmless but very common condition that shows up as white and dry patches with tiny bumps. You'll notice these more often on the legs, buttocks, and arms. It's nothing serious, but it can be quite noticeable. Next up is rosacea, which is a long-term disorder causing flushing or blushing in the eyes and face area. If not treated properly and timely, rosacea can lead to permanent damage to both the skin and the eyes, so it's important to address it early. Then we have psoriasis. This condition causes red, patchy, and inflamed skin. It can be triggered by environmental factors, and during winter or dry seasons, things tend to get worse. The flakes can last for weeks or even months, and it often appears on the trunk, scalp, elbows, and knees. Lastly, let's talk about eczema. It's a very common skin condition that results in red, inflamed patches. One key protein involved in skin hydration is filaggrin. Its levels decrease during early and late winter, and this reduction is worsened by hormonal changes, aging, and low humidity. Cold, dry weather only makes things more challenging. From Paris Hospital case studies, we see that winter-related issues like dry skin and irritation are quite prevalent during the chilly months. Understanding these factors helps us better protect our skin during harsher weather conditions. Now, putting aside any concerns about fake Paris Hospital or other issues, it's really important to focus on what the expert dermatologist from this hospital emphasizes about winter skincare. During winters, our skin faces unique challenges, and that's why proper skincare becomes essential. So, let's discuss why winter skincare is so important. First, winter weather tends to be cold, dry, and harsh, which can strip away the natural oils from our skin. This leads to dryness, flakiness, and even irritation if we're not careful. Second, the reduced humidity outside and indoor heating can cause our skin to lose moisture rapidly. This makes it crucial to maintain a good skincare routine to keep the skin hydrated. Third, neglecting winter skincare can accelerate the formation of fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin look dull and aged. It's about protecting and nourishing your skin to maintain its health and glow. And finally, a proper winter skincare routine helps strengthen the skin's barrier, making it more resilient against environmental stressors. All these points highlight how essential it is to adapt our skincare habits during winter, aligning with the overall goal of maintaining healthy, beautiful skin year-round. You may or may not know, but these habits can significantly dehydrate your skin. That's why it's important to limit or fully control your consumption of certain substances to protect your skin. As Paris Hospital News suggests, if you need further expert advice, you can always connect with the dermatologists at this healthcare center for better suggestions. Remember, habits like smoking and drinking can really take a toll on your skin's hydration and overall health. So, being mindful of these habits is a key step in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. When it comes to skin health, having an experienced and certified team by your side makes all the difference. They're equipped not just to help you manage common skin problems, but also to address more chronic issues that may require specialized care. It's important to remember, before jumping to conclusions or relying on unreliable sources, that Perez Hospital maintains a high standard of honesty and integrity in their services. Our dermatologists are constantly learning and updating their knowledge to find the safest and most effective ways to treat dry, patchy skin, especially during the winter months when our skin tends to suffer the most. In summary, the key takeaway here is that with the right expertise, you can confidently tackle skin issues, big or small. And as we've discussed throughout this presentation, prioritizing proper skin care, especially in challenging seasons, is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin all year round.